Listen, if you're looking for a way to grow thicker, longer and more beautiful hair that does not break easily, then you should definitely give this tea a try. So the beautiful thing about this tea is that anybody can actually make this tea and anybody can use it on their hair as well, as it is very easy to make and the ingredients are readily available. All you need is just 3 kitchen spices to make this amazing hair growth tea. So if you're ready as I am ready, let's get into my kitchen. Alright guys, so in a clean jar, I am going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cloves. Now, clove contains a property called eugenol, and this property helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp and stimulate hair follicles. Cloves also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to combat scalp infections that causes hair loss. Cloves are rich in antioxidants which protects hair from damage and promotes stronger, healthier hair strands. I'm also going to be adding rosemary. Now, rosemary helps to reduce thinning and shedding, and this is because it helps to block DHT. A DHT is a hormone that is associated with hair loss. Rosemary can also soothe irritation because it contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps to calm itchy and inflamed scalp. It can also add shine and strengthen the hair strands. The last but not the least is cinnamon. Now, cinnamon helps to exfoliate the scalp, removing buildups and dead skin cells, which in turn promotes healthier scalp environment. It also nourishes the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. Cinnamon also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which enhances hair follicles activities. And I added only 2 sticks of my cinnamon. The next thing I'm going to do now is to pour my hot water into my container. Now, I love to use hot water to infuse, but if you wish to boil this, like if you're in a hurry, you can just parboil this for like 10 minutes and it will be okay. All right, parboil for 10 minutes, allow it to settle for like 1 hour, then you can start using it. But for me, I love to infuse it, and so I left mine to sit for 12 hours. The next day, this was what it was looking like. I just shake it up a little and then I'm going to strain it. Okay. And after straining it, this is what we got so far. Look at how beautiful this tea looks. If you're one who knows how to consume herbs, you can actually drink it as it is. Alright, but if you don't know how to drink it, then you can definitely use it externally and you will get the same results. Remember that consistency is key when trying out herbal teas like this. I promise you they work. All right, they work in terms of making your hair appear thicker, in terms of treating dandruff, itchiness, all the things that hinder hair growth. But you just have to be consistent. Okay, and this is what my hair was looking like. I apologize for the color change. It's just camera and different lighting. Okay, so the beautiful thing, let me say the most beautiful thing about this particular hairspray is the smell. Cinnamon has this beautiful smell. So I love this hairspray because it is potent. Again, the smell it smells divine. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to be applying it on my hair strands. My hair is on cornrow currently, so I'm just working it in on my hair strands. You also see me trying to push the contents of this juice in between my cornrows, making sure that they penetrate my hair. So I spray this on my hair generously, and trust me, it helps to make your hair feel soft. It makes your hair appear and feel soft to the touch. Okay, just apply it on your hair, give it some time for your hair to absorb it, and then feel your hair. You will notice a change instantly. I'm telling you. So remember that this hairspray is still water, which means it can evaporate, right? So over time, right? So all you have to do is, once you finish applying this, you have to follow up with your leave-in conditioner or your butter. Sometimes I just seal with butter, or you can just seal with oil and you're good to go. Okay, now how often can you use this tea spray? You can use this tea spray between 2 to 3 times or even 4 times a week. You can literally use it 4 times in a week and it will not affect your hair negatively, as long as you are sealing your hair once you are done, so that it will not dry out your hair. Okay, for storage, please store the remaining of this tea in your fridge. Notice that I did not make big quantity of this hairspray. Yes, when you make it in small quantities, you are able, especially if you are using it for yourself. Sometimes I make larger, sometimes I make smaller, depending. If it's the one that I'm going to use together with my girls, I make like 500 ml. If it's the one I'm going to use by myself or only on their hair, I try to reduce the quantity. If you make this in smaller quantity and you use it up quicker, you will get all of the benefits, I believe, because yeah, the longer you keep it, maybe the more the potency reduce. Okay, so once I finish applying and sealing my hair, I will then cover my hair and proceed with my day. And there you have it, a very beautiful hairspray that will help to thicken your hair in no time. Remember that when you're using a DIY product, consistency is key. Okay, this is not an overnight hair growth magic. Okay, you have to be consistent with it, and trust me, in just a few weeks you're going to be noticing difference. Give it 2 to 3 weeks with consistency. There's no how you're not going to see a change in your hair and how your hair feels, and everything. What do you guys think about this video? Are you going to be giving it a try? If you love this kind of content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like DIY content such as this one. And with that, my beautiful people, I'm going to see you in another video. Please take care of yourself. My name is Favor, and until I come your way next time, bye.